Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce input delay on Fortnite PC by tweaking some mouse and keyboard settings. So first of all, you want to open up your mouse settings. On mouse settings, you want to go ahead, scroll down until you see additional mouse settings, open it. After that, you want to go ahead to pointers and to pointer options, and then disable enhance pointer precision, and you want this to be around the middle or a little bit slower. Then you're going to click apply and OK. You also want to go ahead and open up your control panel. Then you're going to open up ease of access center right there. Then you want to scroll down until you see the make the mouse easier to use and open it. Then click set up mouse keys. And you want to go ahead and make the acceleration slow and click apply and OK. Now if you have your mouses and keyboards softwares, then you'll want to open them and update your drivers. If not, you can go ahead to the device manager. And device manager, you want to open up keyboards, and then you want to go ahead and update the drivers. If there's any, it's gonna update. Then the same goes for the mouse. We're gonna update the drivers for the mice. Here it is. Now you want to open up your keyboard control panel. And on keyboard control panel, you want to make sure that repeat delay is short and that repeat rate is fast. And you want to click apply and OK. Now open up advanced system settings. Then open up performance settings, and you want to go ahead and check only a few ones. So you want to go ahead and choose only animate windows when minimizing and maximizing. Then you want to go ahead and choose thumbnails instead of icons, and then smooth edges of screen fonts. Apply. Now you also want to go ahead and disable all startup apps. So open up your task manager, and on task manager you will see startup apps. You can go ahead and disable the ones which you don't actually need. So as you can see, I only have enabled few of those, but for example, I don't need this one. You want to go ahead and disable it like so. So it wouldn't interfere with the game. And now you want to tweak a little bit of game settings. So you want to open up run, write down local app data, and then once you will open up, you want to find Fortnite game. Then you want to go to saved, config, Windows client, and then you will see game user settings. You want to open it with a notepad. You want to go ahead and scroll until you will see be show grass, and you want to make sure that it is set on false. Now you want to scroll down to almost the bottom of the page until you will see scalability groups. And now you want to set resolution to 100, but everything else should be 0. Set to 0, so just go ahead and change it. Now you want to go ahead and click File and Save, and you can exit now. And that's pretty much it. This video was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.